Samsung's S series has always been known for its sleek design, but each year, the company makes subtle tweaks to enhance the user experience. And this year is no exception. The Galaxy S Ultra, with its rectangular shape and sharp corners, was a bold move, but not without its drawbacks. Those sharp edges can be uncomfortable in the hand, and it's clear that Samsung has taken note. Fast forward to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and we're seeing a significant shift in design philosophy. The new renders show a device with rounded corners, a flatter front, and a more comfortable silhouette. But what does this mean for you, the user? A more comfortable grip, reduced fatigue, and a device that feels more premium in the hand. We're still months away from the official launch, but the excitement is building. Will the Galaxy S25 Ultra be the perfect blend of form and function? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: Samsung is listening to its users and making changes to enhance the overall experience. We've got our first glimpse of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design, and it's looking sharp. According to ICE, the new flagship is taking cues from its predecessor, the S24, with a flatter front and back. But that's not all. The back may be slightly more rounded than the front, giving it a softer, more comfortable feel in your hand. But how does it stack up against the competition? When compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the S25 Ultra boasts rounded corners on both the frame and display. That's a big departure from its predecessor. And yet, despite these changes, the S25 Ultra still retains a distinctly rectangular appearance. It's a familiar shape, but with a twist. So, what can we expect from this new design? A more comfortable grip, reduced fatigue, and a device that feels more premium in the hand. But don't just take our word for it, the renders speak for themselves. A more rounded corner, especially when compared to the current version, gives the S25 Ultra a sleek, modern look. Why do I think that? Well, take a closer look at this marketing image featuring a giraffe. It's likely a shot taken from a distance, which could be a subtle hint at the S25 Ultra's telephoto capabilities. Could we be seeing a major upgrade in the works? While we can't say for sure just yet, one thing's for certain: the anticipation is building. We'll need to wait for more information to confirm, but for now, it's exciting to think about what could be on the horizon. What do you think about these latest developments? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S25 lineup. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story, so stay tuned for more insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.